How to find drafts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your saved drafts on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section there, what you can do is just go to the next option, and from there you'll be able to see the drafts section at the top. So simply tap on it, and after that just select the draft that you want to edit a post, and with that make any changes you need, and then you can just tap on share once you're done with it. And that's it. That's how you can find and post your Instagram drafts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.